Happy Tuesday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. In the first of today's videos, we're going to look at the wild success of Dogecoin, which, I mean, it doesn't even look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon because, of course, Elon Musk is going to be hosting this week's SNL. That's coming up. We're still a few days away from that. And Dogecoin breaking into new all-time high territory. Blockfolio tweeting about how one Doge is now worth more than 50 cents American. We're also celebrating all-time highs in the form of Ethereum, of course, which has had a breakout day. So we're going to talk about all this once again on this new channel, Altcoin Buzz News. We're going to have more bite-sized content, multiple videos. If you guys like this kind of content, we talk about Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and altcoins, of course, like Dogecoin and Ethereum. If you like that kind of stuff, be sure to like and subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. All right, so as we can see, the market is actually kind of flat right now, down 0.1%, $2.378 trillion. There are a few projects that don't really care. We're going to take a look at those individually. They are, at least as of this recording, at the time of this recording, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin also performing exceptionally well. Dogecoin takes the cake there in terms of daily performance, up 44.5% in these last 24 hours. But we're still celebrating the fact that Litecoin touched about $3,500, now $3,488 as I speak. That's up nearly 12% on the day. So the official new all-time high for Ethereum is now actually more than that, $3,519, as you can see, which was set 34 minutes ago. Guys, if you didn't check out yesterday's video, in which I basically gushed over Raul Pal's message for a good half an hour as to why the world is waking up right now to Ethereum, why it's such a big deal. Check that out. You can click the card that's popping up above. I'll also include that in the description below. But in short and in summary, there are like 100 different vectors, 100 different currents that are all converging into this tidal wave of fintech and digital momentum right now that's about to sweep over the world. So I think it behooves us all to jump on that wave and grab the surf. So we're celebrating Ethereum's new all-time high above 3,500, but got to give it to Dogecoin, the star of the show. You're talking about a multi-tens of billions of dollar market cap project that is up 48% on the day. Now 59 cents. It may be higher by the time you're watching this video. It may be lower. Either way is fine. 59 cents. It seems like, I don't want to jinx anything. It seems like $1 is inevitable for Doge. And the fact that we have Elon Musk, again, talking about how a Dogecoin skit is basically guaranteed for this weekend, I feel like we're going to have a steady increase in hype and momentum and chatter like leading into the weekend. So officially, actually, we're at an all-time high right now because CoinGecko is saying that 57 cents was the all-time high that was set 21 minutes ago, but we're higher than that right now. So officially, 59 cents or thereabouts is the all-time high for Doge, up nearly 50% on the day. Unbelievable price performance. And we don't want to forget Litecoin, which is almost like the little engine that could, which is just this relentless project that's this institution, well, not institutional, but what I mean by that, it's a legacy coin. It's been around for a long time. I think it has that street cred, and it's not going away. And it's a great project as well, in my opinion, at least, and not just because I hold a lot of LTC bags. I think it's fast. I think it's cheap. I think there's a place for it. I think a lot of other people, including investors, feel that way as well. LTC up over 16% on the day, blasting above $300, now $321.70. We're still not in that all-time high territory that we set a few years ago, but we're pretty close, actually. So officially, the all-time high, according to CoinGecko, $360.66. We're 11.7% off of that all-time high that was set now over 3 years ago in December of 2017. I think we'll get there pretty soon. 10%, I mean, in traditional markets, it would take a while to get 10, 11, 12%. But in this space, I mean, look what we did today. Litecoin is up today alone over 16%. So I think it could happen any day now with the right variables, with the right momentum here on our side. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's talk a little bit about what Elon Musk is saying here, courtesy of benzinga.com. he's effectively promising us that something on Dogecoin is definitely going to be featured in his SNL episode. So according to, the Tesla CEO, he said that the meme currency, cryptocurrency that is Dogecoin as a topic will, quote, definitely feature in his Saturday Night Live appearance on the 8th of May. This is just based on a tweet. He's responding to Chris here, something about the dog father, because if you're not up to speed, Elon was basically like crowdsourcing like his followers for ideas. So kind of farming them for suggestions and skit ideas and everything. And overwhelmingly, they were saying like, you got to cover Dogecoin. You got to cover cryptocurrency. I think that's definitely on the table now. And it's just funny how like this whole article is just based around his tweet here, in which he just said one word, definitely. So I think we can expect something. I think just the anticipation alone is going to mean that there's going to be a steady, as the GIF here would suggest, intensification of all of the Dogecoin chatter until Saturday. And then, look, I'm not invested in Dogecoin, but the way I see it is that we're going to see a steady increase, a new all-time high leading up to Saturday. Could be $1, maybe not, but then we'll see a drop-off. I don't want to touch Dogecoin. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Even though I consider myself kind of a new school investor, like this is just, it's too volatile for my taste. But look, if you all members of the Altcoin Buzz army have made a lot of money with Dogecoin, let me know how much. Well, let me know where you entered your position in the comments below. Let's put it that way. And kudos and congratulations to those that have turned the momentum to their advantage. Dogecoin surges to new all-time high following eToro listing as well. So a bunch of different factors helping the Dogecoin. Let's stay tuned and see what happens on Saturday. All right, recently we tweeted at Altcoin Buzz about Uniswap v3 and about Unbound. The follow-up here is on altcoinbuzz.io. Unbound launches Uniswap v3 liquidity pool NFTs. So Unbound is all set to bring Uniswap's v3 functionalities to liquidity providers, capital allocations, liquidity pool NFTs, and much more, with this article here by Manoj. If you're unfamiliar with Unbound Finance, you can check out our previous coverage on Altcoin Buzz on the original channel of that project. I guess just in the interest of transparency and candor, it's something that I'm involved with. It's something that the team members at Altcoin Buzz are involved with. Unbound Finance is now launching aggregator contracts for the much anticipated Uniswap v3 on Ethereum's Kovan testnet, which is going to allow users to add liquidity to the AMM automated market maker pools and mint liquidity pool tokens in the form of NFTs. And these NFTs represent the receipt of your liquidity in the pools. So this is something that I think rightfully we're very excited about. If it's something you'd like to read more about, again, you can check out our previous coverage, as well as this article here by Manoj on altcoinbuzz.io. Firo is also in the news here, the project formerly known as ZCoin. Of course, you can now anonymize your Firo with Lelantus and win. We've been covering Firo recently. There's a lot happening with regard to that project. To celebrate the reactivation of Lelantus and to encourage use of Lelantus anonymization transactions, they're holding a month-long community event where anybody who anonymizes with Lelantus stands a chance to win Firo. You guys can check out the parameters, I suppose you could say, of the contest and what you have to do to become involved and potentially win. When it comes to cryptocurrency competitions, I always say you may as well throw your hat into the race. It's painless to do so. It's usually not that difficult, and you stand to win some of these prizes, which include 400 Firo for first place, 250 Firo for second place. The 3rd to 10th prizes are 25 Firo, and it goes all the way up to 25 prizes. 11 through 25 get 10 Firo each. You may as well throw your hat into the race, members of the Altcoin Buzz army. We also have this news on Cointelegraph.com. Maker Foundation returns development fund to DAO amid path to decentralization. So this is pretty big news. Perhaps nothing that eclipses Dogecoin and Ethereum news, but still significant. You could check it out. We'll link to it in the description below. The Maker Foundation has returned 84,000 MKR to the project's DAO in a major milestone for the protocol's road to decentralization. As always, guys, I will link to all of this in the description below. There is a lot happening, of course, in the world of cryptocurrency. Things are fast moving, and that's why we're going to endeavor actually to provide you guys with multiple, more bite-sized videos about news as it comes out. So we're going to be probably, publishing 2 or 3 videos today. Stay up to speed with us on the new Altcoin Buzz new channel by liking, by subscribing, by sharing. You can also check out altcoinbuzz.io. That is our website. Also follow us on all the regular social media channels. It's really rather your best way to stay abreast with all that is happening in this very rapidly moving space. It's always like trying to drink. When it comes to getting information, I kind of liken it to trying to drink some water out of a fire hose. There's just so much, and it's overwhelming at times. But do follow us, guys, on the YouTube channels. Follow us on the other social media. I'm talking about Twitter. I'm talking about Telegram. You can check out our Trade Signals Telegram group as well for information, which is never financial advice, but it's an informed discussion about prices, about project updates, that kind of thing. There's also a discussion about Unbound finance that you can join. I always pin that information to the top of the comments so you can find it there. Best of luck, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. If you choose to invest on this Tuesday, stay safe. Have a great one. As always, we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.